In this video series, we look at some of the job descriptions and the keywords. Here, I focus on mobile application developer. And I would love to explain you guys who a mobile application developer is, because I feel like in this job description, they don't really get it. They don't understand what a wide range of technologies, programming languages are there. Looking at application development, mobile application development, we see three types. First, we can build native applications. Those applications that you guys have installed on your, for example, phone, smartphone. It could be iPhone or Android, like native apps that you can launch and they open up. These are called native applications. They are built either in iOS or Android. You know, on iOS you have Objective-C or Swift programming language. Objective-C has been historically used. Swift is a new programming language pushed by Apple. So iOS is operating system by Apple, and Android is an operating system developed by Google. So they work with two technologies, two programming languages, Java and Kotlin. Java is the one used historically, and Kotlin is the new fresh one used in the recent years. So this is what you guys need to know about the native applications. When we talk about native iOS application, Swift is about to dominate. When we talk about native Android applications, Kotlin is here to stay. Now, we can also create or generate native applications from cross-platform applications. Cross-platform development means we use some language, for example, JavaScript language, to build eventually native applications, but we use a cross-platform code written in JavaScript that will eventually generate. So actually, I can show here a source code. So say this is a source code, lots of code, and from this code, two different packages are built, 1 and 2. One is for iOS and the other one is for Android. And the third one could actually be for Windows phones. Okay, so this is how the cross-platform applications work. And there are a few cross-platform frameworks. For example, if we use JavaScript is a programming language. So there are three frameworks. React Native is a new framework pushed by Facebook, Ionic, and Titanium. Titanium, I would say, is fading out a little, and Ionic is well, it's not the most hottest framework out there. I would say React Native is hyped much more, but still Ionic is used to build cross-platform JavaScript applications. And C# programming language is used with Xamarin. Xamarin is a framework. It actually was a company before it was acquired by Microsoft. Now Microsoft owns Xamarin. C# is a programming language. So we can write a code either in C# or in JavaScript, and from that code we can generate native applications that eventually run on a phone like this, on an iPhone, Android phone, or Windows phone. Okay, so this is how the cross-platform applications work. And we also can build progressive web applications. These applications are some hybrid between a web application, between a web application such as a website, and a native application written in one of these languages, Swift or Kotlin. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Native applications are written in these native languages, Objective-C or Java historically, and Swift and Kotlin are the new modern languages. Like all of them are still used, but some of them are fading out and some of them are are growing. So you can see those growing languages circled with this green color. And we also have cross-platform development. React Native is a framework, JavaScript and C# are languages. So I hope this is clear. You can see how wide this area of mobile app development is. And I'm looking at the job description where they are looking for a mobile application developer. And now just look at how much is out there, related to mobile application development. You can build native applications, you can build cross-platform applications, you can build progressive web applications. So what kind of a developer are they looking for? There is not much written here besides we are looking for someone who will translate ideas and concepts into professional mobile applications for both iOS and Android. Oh yeah, cool. But how? Should they translate it to native applications or cross-platform applications? And if cross-platform, then do you already, maybe this is a new company, maybe they don't have any technology implemented yet, but then it should be written here, hey, we are looking for someone who will be able to pick the right solution for our needs, which are, to start a new project, to create a new application from scratch. But it's not written here. Here is written, we are looking for someone who has experience in mobile app development, iOS or Android. Again, it doesn't tell us much in iOS or Android or any, how native or cross-platform. It just doesn't tell us much, especially 1 year experience in mobile app development. But as a developer, as a tester, as a project manager, nothing much written. So this job description, I would say, is completely useless. We cannot really see what kind of a mobile app developer they are looking for. Maybe a generic one, maybe that was actually the intention, so that anyone can apply, anyone who uses Ionic or Titanium or Java or Kotlin or Objective-C or Swift, anyone who builds progressive web apps, maybe that was in the intention. Maybe it's also good to specialize, to mention it, particularly hey, we are a new company, we don't care about the technology, it's up to you, it will be your decision. It could be sparkled this way. But still, you as a recruiter, you need to know this, you need to see the whole range of technologies, options, and frameworks that could be used. All right, so this is what I wanted you guys to see on this whiteboard. We can certainly discuss it further. If you have any questions, please go ahead and ask me questions in comments. So I'll wrap it up here. I suggest you guys to follow, to subscribe, to like our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about how to become a great technical recruiter.